Hey everyone, Brian here, your honest mechanic. Today we're quickly talking about something that's often overlooked but incredibly important, checking your tire pressure. Now I know what you're thinking. Brian, do I really need to check my tire pressure that often? The answer is a resounding yes. You see, your tires are the only part of your vehicle that actually touch the road, so it's crucial to make sure they're properly inflated. Here's the deal. You should be checking your tire pressure at least once a month, and definitely before any long road trips. Why? Because tires can lose air over time due to things like permeation, small leaks, or even changes in outdoor temperatures. But why is proper tire inflation so important? Well, for starters, it can help improve your fuel efficiency. When your tires are underinflated, your vehicle has to work harder to move, which means you're burning more fuel than necessary. Plus, properly inflated tires provide the best combination of handling, tread life, and comfort. You'll be able to steer, brake, and corner with more accuracy and confidence. On the flip side, under or overinflated tires can wear out more quickly and unevenly. That means you'll be shelling out cash for new tires sooner than you'd like. Trust me, as a mechanic, I've seen my fair share of prematurely worn out tires due to improper inflation. Now you might be wondering, how do I know what the right tire pressure is for my vehicle? Great question. The recommended tire pressure for your specific make and model can usually be found in your owner's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's side door jamb. It's important to note that the pressure listed on the sidewall of your tire is the maximum pressure, not necessarily the recommended pressure for your vehicle. When you're ready to check your tire pressure, make sure your tires are cold. That means they haven't been driven on for at least 3 hours or haven't been driven more than 10 miles. This will give you the most accurate pressure reading. You'll need a good tire pressure gauge to get the job done right. You can find these at most auto parts stores or even at gas stations. Simply remove the valve cap from your tire, press the gauge firmly onto the valve stem, and read the pressure. If the pressure is too low, use an air compressor to fill it up to the recommended level. If it's too high, press the center pin on the valve stem to release some air. Another thing to keep in mind is that temperature fluctuations can affect tire pressure. In fact, tires lose or gain 1 psi pound per square inch for every 10 degrees Fahrenheit change in temperature. So, as the seasons change, be sure to check your tire pressure and adjust accordingly. Now, some newer vehicles come equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. This handy feature uses sensors to monitor the air pressure in your tires and will alert you if one or more of your tires falls below the recommended pressure. If your TPMS light comes on, don't ignore it. Check your tire pressure as soon as possible and fill up your tires if needed. In addition to regular pressure checks, don't forget to visually inspect your tires for any signs of damage, such as cuts, bulges, or excessive wear. If you spot any issues, have them addressed by a professional as soon as possible.